gonna play zombies for you guys, and yeah, I'm probably gonna survive 13 or 30. I'm gonna play Barry. Oh, so I'm gonna play Buried for you guys. Just for yeah, just for a little bit. Or for the whole game. No, I'm not. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try my hardest. Make sure you put a thumbs up and a like and subscribe.
What the fuck? Bro, this is one of those YouTube videos where they have a nasty room and it's all like dirty and stuff. Well, it looks like it, but it's just like my room is so ugly. Alright.
Well, I'm gonna play for you guys, and I'm gonna go over here to a bunch of zombies.
What the fuck? Already?
Keep them ammo drops coming. Buy that. Gonna have 14,060. Peace. And you're gonna end up here. Well, we'll go turn on the power.
What a sweet little place like this come to get buried underground.
I'm gonna turn on the power. Waste that money. Go upstairs.
Oh, guess you got the witches now. Got the girls. Getting the girls. A little bit. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Alright.
Please watch that step.
Maybe things will be a bit easier with a shower.
After 60, you get a hit, then max ammo will come in. Just kidding.
I'd better find the other pieces. We could just use the key.
Oh,
Please watch us cut it.
shoot.
Give him the boost and I'm probably gonna get $1,000. Yep.
He's a destructive son.
Well, round one's over. I'm on the box. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Then you get the regular Mark II.
Wonder what makes the Mark II so
So, yeah, that's how you do the glitch to get the Rega Mark II.
Bye. Put a likes and thumbs up, please. And to subscribe.
Yep.